Enphase microinverters come with a 25 years warranty, so the product has to be produced with the highest possible reliable setup. There's no doubt that Enphase is really number one in the US market.
It's been 5 years and we are here in India having a partnership with Salcomp in Chennai on the manufacturing. With about 1400 employees in India, it's a fully automated line, one of its kind in the world, which can produce up to 6 million units per year.
The key thing here is building an infrastructure of Enphase installer partners. Hundreds of installers all across the country. The products what we offer from Enphase has a rapid shutdown, best mode technologies for extra generations, industry-leading warranty. People who look for technologies and advanced features always look for innovative products like microinverters in the solar domain.